Hey everyone, today we will be going over all the traversals and balanced trees, and without any further hesitation, let's get started. And now going over in order traversal, the way we will be conducting such, it's actually really easy to be able to go over and know exactly what to put. Alright, so for in order traversal, what I'm going to be doing, this is going to be the easiest function that we have, and we can also apply this for other ones as well. So all I'm going to do is void in order with node with root, and if the root is going to be in order, we check the left side. So we're implementing components of recursion as well. Root of key, we get that data point and we start outputting it right here, and then in order for the root on the right, and I'm just going to fix that. There we go. Here we go. And now what we will be doing is this. I'm going to alright, just double checking in this. So I'm just going to be doing avl.inOrder root over here, avl.root. In fact, I'm just going to say in order traversal. Let's run this thing. Build successful. Yep, that is correct. That is correct over what it does. We have the in order traversal already stated. In fact, I'm just going to put this right here. There we go. In order traversal is 10, 20, and 30, which is correct. It starts from the left, the root, and then 30 as well. So we already see 10, 20, 30 nodes. Okay, no mind. This. I should probably just like move this right over here. There we go. Okay, so we have in order traversal of 10, 20, and 30. Already stated before. And we also have selected node that has been removed, so that's just coming from over there. But really, yeah, this showcases in order traversal. And now let's head over to pre-order traversal. And now for pre-order traversal. Now pre-order traversal, we're just going to do the exact same thing that we did before for in order, except for the differences. It's just the ordering of the specific way we're outputting the nodes. Now, since we are treating each of the nodes with respect to the root and just using principles of recursion, we can just print out the root. So we will go void pre-order a node at the specific root, and if the root right here, we will go through the root key, and we will output the following over here, and we would use pre-order root at the given left, and then pre-order for the root at the given right. Just going up, checking to see everything. Yep, and so we check the current node in particular that we have over here. This is when after we have inserted the following, and then we're checking the left and the right. Heights as well. Yep, within our class. So pre-order is using the root to be able to actually check each node accordingly by setting the node as a root, and we're going through each order. It looks like we go through the root and the left and the right. So now for us to go through this pre-order traversal, all we gotta do is avn.pre-order. Yep, looks good over here. Let's run this bad boy. Yep, that is correct. Pre-order traversal. Hang on, let me just there we go, that's better. Yep, that's correct. Notice how we go from the root already, then the left, then the right. That is how we do pre-order. And now let's do post-order. And now we are going over post-order. So post-order traversal, again, we're going to apply the same principle that we did before. So the void post-order node for the root, and then if we're at the root, post-order root at the left, post-order at the right, and then count root key right here. There we go. And now we're going to do the exact same thing we did before. Make sure you spell everything correctly. Post order, AVL, post order. There we go. Make sure it's all corrected right here. Sorry, post order right here, post order down here. Yep, that is correct. That is correct. So we have post order already set. So we have pre-order. Post order function is already set up in place. We see 10, 30, and 20. That is good. 10, 30, and 20. That is the nature of the post order. It goes directly based on the levels, really. Left, right, and then to the root. It works its way up. Pre-order focuses on the root, leftmost, rightmost, and in order it goes from left, root, all the way up to the root, and then to the far right. And so yeah, that was post order. Now let's head over to breadth first search. Right here.
Hey everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this. If you found this video helpful, be sure and feel free to please like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please put them in the comment section. And as always, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.